Transform your trade finance career with EBSI, globally recognized courses. Are you a trade finance professional looking to level up your career in 2026? Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned banker aiming for that next promotion, the right qualifications can make all the difference. Today, I'm breaking down the complete range of trade finance courses from EBSI Export Academy, an Ireland-based institution that's been training trade finance professionals globally for over 25 years. And here's the best part, there's a special discount waiting for you in the description below. Let's dive in. About EBSI. First, let me tell you why EBSI stands out. Since 1999, they've trained thousands of professionals in over 82 countries. They're not just another training provider, they actually wrote and developed the International Finance Corporation (IFC's) Trade Finance e-learning certificates program. That's massive credibility right there. Their courses are fully CPD certified by the CPD Certification Service of the United Kingdom, meeting international standards for continuous professional development. Plus, they were awarded Best Online Trade Finance Accredited Courses globally by Capital Finance International magazine. When global institutions like European Bank for Reconstruction and Development (EBRD), IFC, Asian Development Bank (ADB), and IADB trust EBSI for their training initiatives, you know you're in good hands. Flagship Program Number 1. Now let's talk about courses. EBSI offers 3 flagship programs for trade finance professionals, starting with the crown jewel, the Diploma in Trade for Trade Finance Professionals. This is their most comprehensive program, covering 80 hours of online training. It combines everything: trade practice, trade finance instruments, compliance and fraud prevention, all in one package. What makes this special? It's recognized by the London Institute of Banking and Finance for CDCS recertification, providing 16 PDUs. It meets NBQ Level 3 equivalent standards and is perfect if you're preparing for CITF, CDCS, or CSDG exams. This diploma includes documentary credits, collections, bonds and guarantees, short and medium-term finance, export credit agency finance, structured and commodity trade finance, plus comprehensive compliance and fraud prevention modules. It's literally everything you need to excel in trade finance operations, and it now includes their advanced AI trade tutor for personalized learning support. Flagship Program Number 2. Next up is the Certificate in Finance of International Trade. This is their IFC-recognized program, covering 46 hours of training across 10 comprehensive modules. You'll master methods of payment, documentary collections, documentary credits fundamentals and management, bonds and guarantees, short and medium-term finance, factoring, export credit agency finance, structured and commodity trade finance, plus fraud prevention. This course provides 46 CPD credits and 16 PDUs towards CDCS recertification. It's endorsed by the International Finance Corporation (IFC) and has over 900 graduates across 20 countries in Africa and Asia. If you're working in emerging markets or with development finance institutions, this certification is gold. Flagship Program Number 3. The third program is the Certificate in Trade Finance Compliance and Fraud Prevention, 16 hours focused specifically on what every trade finance professional needs to know about compliance. You'll cover risk evaluation, KYC requirements, due diligence procedures, sanctions handling, AML and counter-terrorist financing, transaction monitoring, and fraud red flags. In 2026, with regulations tightening globally, this specialized knowledge is non-negotiable. This earns you 3 CPD credits per module and positions you as the compliance expert your organization desperately needs. Individual courses. Beyond these flagship programs, EBSI offers 13 individual CPD courses that you can take standalone. These include specialized modules on structured and commodity trade finance, documentary credits management, bonds and guarantees, export credit agency finance, trade finance compliance modules, fraud prevention, and many more. Each course is fully accredited and can be taken individually based on your specific career needs. Perfect if you need to upskill in one particular area quickly. Key benefits. Here's why you should choose EBSI. 1. 100% flexible online learning. Study at your own pace anywhere in the world. 2. You get 2 years of access to course materials and support forums, not just a few months. 3. Expert instructors with over 100 years of combined experience, all members of the ICC Banking Commission. 4. Lifetime access to their global alumni network spanning 82 countries. Your network is your net worth. 5. Advanced AI tutoring technology for personalized learning support. And 6. These qualifications prepare you perfectly for industry standard exams like CDCS, CITF, and CITP from the London Institute of Banking and Finance. So here's what you need to do right now. Click the link in the description below to visit EBSI's website. You'll find a special discount exclusively for our viewers. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Whether you're looking at the comprehensive diploma, the IFC recognized certificate, or the compliance specialization, investing in your trade finance education in 2026 is the smartest career move you can make. Have questions about which course is right for you? Drop them in the comments or reach out directly to EBSI's team at ts.ebsi.ie. They're incredibly responsive and helpful. Don't let your career plateau. Take action today. Check out EBSI, claim your discount, and let's elevate your trade finance career together. If you found this helpful, smash that subscribe button for more trade finance career insights. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next video.